All right, a lot of times when you're watching a movie on TV and you're at home, you may look to the left and grab some popcorn, and then you miss something. And you're like, everybody else in the room goes, "Oh my God, what was that?" And you missed it. So you want to get back just, a couple seconds, not a lot. Well, what you can do, if you look right here, you see this little circle with an arrow in it. That's a return. And what it does is it just brings you back a little bit. Now watch, I'm just going to click on it. And there it is. It just moved back. See it? See, I'm standing there. Let me click it. We'll move back a little bit. And then it'll start the scene here. I'll click play. And now the scene starts again. There she is grabbing the baby, right, from me. All right, let me show you one more time. And he's saying something. If I click this, it's going to stop. And watch, I'll click it backwards. And now I hit right here for play. And it took it back again, right? There he is. That's the same scene we just saw. So if that happens to you and you want to just go back 10 seconds, you press this. And then when you want it to play, you press this. So let's look at it again. And you can also hit it a number of times and it'll keep moving back a couple scenes. So look, it says 320, there's 310, there's 3. So it moves back 10 seconds at a time, right? And then if you want to play it, bam, there you go. And so now it's going back in time, in the timeline. And the more you do it, the more farther it's going to go back. So now we're back like a half a minute. And they're coming in, looking around and checking it out. When you press this back button, it takes it back 10 seconds. And then you've got to press the play button here. This also stops it too. Bam, bam. All right, so when I press this, it stops it. You see there's the timeline. When I press it again, it plays. When I press this, it brings it back 10 seconds. If I hit it again, it brings it back another 10 seconds. And then you can press play. And then it just takes it back 20 seconds if you hit it twice. And that's how that works. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff with your TV Roku remote, with your TCL Roku TV remote.